Hello everyone, this is Rizwan. Today we are going to learn about the animation effect, the screen. And so today I am going to teach you how we actually create an animation effect in the screen. So today I am starting a demo application by something like creating a application like we are going to actually flying an aeroplane by using animation effects. So let's start. I created the first project. Now I'm going to run the emulator. So here, okay. So let's debug the project, and we are as the product as a project is debugging. So very time consuming process to debug the project. So for now, I am starting to create a screen. Let's design. And remove these stuffs we don't need, and I create a stateful visit by the name of any aeroplane animation. Okay, so this has been created. Class. Now we will use and import this fine. Okay, now here scaffold, we will use scaffold. Body, okay, body container. Yeah, animation. Actually, we use animation content. I don't master one, so I guess from the school. Animation container. Okay, and here we need to give the duration as per the background, millisecond, and I will give 500. and here we will give alignment. Alignment should be based on the condition, so for that var underscore alignment and equals to alignment alignment dot bottom center. Okay, actually initially it should be in the bottom center. And here we will use alignment, right? And now child and child, I will take icon should be aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane active. Size should be 35 and color should be like a red. Right. Okay. Now let's see the screen. Fine. Aeroplane will be shown. I think should contain 50. Actually good. Now we need to create a button. We are actually creating a plotting action button, and here row contain children, and the main axis alignment should be a space around main axis alignment dot space around. And now plotting action button on pressed, and icon. Actually we should use icon button, and here icon should be the same. So for the active, let's see. Okay, and one more. Now fine. And actually we are going to apply the center one by clicking this, and actually it should not look too less. Convert this plotting action button. Fine. Fine. And background color should be what the gray colors dot blue. Great. And should be white. Like, it's look cool. Okay, now actually I want, this is a takeoff and this is landed, so I want this the back side. Okay, so I am going here, wrap, transform, third rotate, active here, angle should be 32 by 12. I don't need to. Angle 90 degree. Oh, not working. 60, 65. Actually we should work on this divided by 12. So 90 divided by 12, 30, 35, 38. Now fine. Okay, so we need to give this transformation here too. Fine. And now pool is active, like false. Here should use is active here, false, and it should be 0. Fine. Now we should work on here, that is state. Underscore alignment should be alignment the top center, and is active should be false. I will use the same here. The alignment should be bottom center and should be true. Now we will start to take. Is it working? Wow, cool. We should give 1000. Actually we need to safe area. Looking cool. This is what actually you want to create. If we create the size of the if I create 100, actually here not. looking cool, really cool effect. And I also want to give some gradient effect here. Guys, I'm also teaching about how we can create a box decorations and gradients and linear gradients are here. Task for the begin should be and not actually top center, and should be bottom center, and font color. So color should be color and accent, red and color white. We need to remove this actually yellow. That's look cool, and this should be yellow essence. Oh no, yellow 200. Looking really very nice. So guys, this is the actual we want to create, and have a nice day, and follow me, and link will be in the bio, and complete tutorial will be shown in the YouTube, and have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Take care.